Lava Kicks in the building. This video right here is going to be my 2013 pickup review recap. I would say do one of these every year, just showcasing some of the kicks that I got throughout the year. So let's go over there and check it out. First pickup that I got from 2013 is the Kobe 8 Easters. Clean looking shoe. I love the Kobe 8s. Very comfortable. I ball in this shoe pretty heavily this time around. But yep, the Kobe 8 Easters. Next up, we got the Air Jordan 5 Grapes. Another clean colorway from the Jordan 5 Silhouette. There you go. Another pickup that I got in 2013 is the Air Foamposite 1 Whiteout. Clean looking shoe. Loving just the one color based Foamposites. In my opinion, they're just the cleanest looking. Not too much I care about the printed stuff, but hey, to each his own. Next up, we got the Air Max 90 Infrared OG. Got that vintage look with the vintage Nike tag. Haven't worn these yet, but as you know, Air Max 90 Infrared, that's one of my all-time favorite shoes right here. Yes, sir. Another pickup that I got is the Air Max 1 FB, aka some people call it the Yeezy, but just a real clean shoe right here. That mint colorway, some of that hot pink, black 3M right there. Air Max 1 FB, yes sir. Also, I picked up another pair of the White Cement 4s. Just wanted to get another pair. As you can see, I do have one there still DS'd. But I was like, hey, found another good deal on this online and caught me another pair of White Cement 4s that I can rock and keep rocking. So, yep. Moving on with some 4s. I also did pick up the Toro 4s. All red colorway. Clean shoe. Clean shoe. Loving that. I love the 4 model of the Jordans. One of my favorites. Okay, coming back. Here we go. This shoe right here, the Kobe 8 Mamba Curio. I tell you, when I first saw these online, I was like, I got to get 2 pairs of these. And yes, sure enough, was able to swoop up 2 pairs of these guys. And I'm loving this shoe. Really, one of my favorite releases from 2013 right there. Okay, moving on. And check this out, fellas. I also did get a Air Jordan 11 Space Jam. Been looking for this shoe for a minute, and I was able to find it online on my local classifieds and got it for a real sweet deal, and I was able to complete sort of my Jordan 11 collection. This one right here, very clean shoe. Glad I got it. Okay, took a break for a minute, but then when these came around, won them off of a raffle from my local House of Hoops. It's the Kobe 8. And yeah, this shoe is crazy. I guess my state only had about 18 pairs, and I was one of the lucky ones that got picked off the raffle. And yes, 2013 was kind of a lucky year for me. I won a lot of raffles from my local Foot Locker, and I'm hoping 2014 brings the same luck. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. And here you go, the Air Jordan 11 Gamma. This one right here, the hype was pretty crazy on this guy. Also won this from a raffle at my local Foot Locker. And yes, I already unDS'd this. I unDS'd this to one of my best friend's brother's celebration of life. Rest in peace, Nate. Always remember, buddy. Yes, sir. And finally, my last pickup from 2013, it's the Kobe 8 SS. And this is from the Christmas pack. And this one right here is bananas. I mean, I don't know, the shredding skin thing is just a sweet technique. Can't wait to rock these heavily. But yep, great way to get my last cop of 2014. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick scan, quick review, recap of what I did get from 2013. Not a lot, nothing major, but still thankful for what I was able to get. And 2014, I might chill out for just a little bit, just copping shoes and taking care of other things. But until next time, ladies and gentlemen, please follow me on Instagram at Lava Kicks, and don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. And I will catch you guys later. Stay blessed, stay fresh, everyone.